Hi. This is Pratik from Sapcha Enterprise Private Limited. First of all, we would like to thank you for visiting our page and would request if you can subscribe it as well. We would like to present how our skilled ERP consultants along with SAP can help change your future business and economics. We have tried to drill down and ensure that we communicate some hard-selling facts in as much simple terms as possible. In course of our presentation, please feel free to raise your concerns and we will try to answer them honestly. So let's start. Let's understand why SAP's vision and roadmap is essential to expedite and enable the overall construction cycle. Large-scale construction projects are complex and risky. An integrated platform supporting the full construction life cycle helps engineering, construction, and operations firms manage projects, avoid risk and stay competitive. Low margins, intense competition, and demands for faster completion times increase risks and puts enormous pressure on engineering, construction, and operations firms. At the same time, a company's cash position and liquidity are crucial to success and growth. Globalization creates new challenges with even more competition and increased project complexity. It's harder to communicate with partners, vendors, and customers across time zones and language barriers. In this highly competitive market where margins are constantly under pressure, operational excellence combined with greater efficiency is key to achieving profitability. To achieve operational excellence, project-driven firms need an integrated and project-centric solution, one that provides project visibility and enables process efficiency so they can maximize productivity, minimize cost overruns and provide sustainable returns on operating assets. As a subtext to all the points discussed above, you will realize an integrated platform and continuous innovation is key for having a successful strategy. Let's find out how leading engineering, construction, and operations companies take advantage of SAP technology and solutions to bridge the gap between the design blueprint and construction realities, accessing real-time information across the entire budgeting process for smarter decision-making. Let's target to become the best-run engineering, construction, and organization company. Now, before diving into the hardcore nitty-gritties, let's analyze how the overall project visibility and business insight is enhanced through SAP's innovation. This is a top-level view and we will deep dive further during our course of the presentation. An integrated SAP platform leads to improved information availability. Engineering superiority is driven by the quality of the design and rigorous operational controls during the construction phase. The ability to maximize both labor productivity and procurement profitability of raw materials and equipment is critical. Increased transparency. Improved project visibility from the construction site through to business operations gives firms greater contextual insights to manage risk and improve project profitability. Integrated portfolio. Companies need to keep projects on track and within budget. An integrated system provides timely, accurate information that drives agility and the ability to adapt to changing business requirements. In a nutshell, a compact, self-sufficient ERP like SAP lays foundation for operational excellence via maximizing project profitability, reducing risk, automatic and schedule-driven processes. Now let's discuss business priorities for best-run engineering, construction, and operations companies. I am sure this is one topic which will sound interesting to your team and you can easily correlate with it. Best-run engineering, construction, and operations companies build their reputation on completing even the most challenging projects on time and within budget by maximizing productivity and efficiency while managing and mitigating risk. Based on our experience, we have zeroed down upon critical business priorities. Obviously, I would like to add that these business priorities change from case-to-case basis. Now, from an ERP perspective, we lay heavy focus on Bid to contract award. Project delivery. Project portfolio revenue and profitability. Asset and facility operations. Human resources. Finance. Procurement. Information technology. Understanding the value drivers for each of these priorities is key to executing as a best-run engineering, construction, and operations company. I hope in our executive summary we have been able to explain you how SAP ERP from the very top level perspective will help your business in putting their wheels in motion. In this slide we have systematically tried to map the business priorities with SAP offerings. We will discuss each of the SAP priorities and system offerings in our subsequent slides. So let's start. Now. Bid to contract award. SAP has divided bid to contract award into two components. Opportunity and proposal management. Collaborative 5-dimensional design and construction. Project delivery. SAP has divided project delivery module into 4 components. Commercial project management. Project issue and change management. Subcontractor management. Environment health and safety compliance. Asset management. SAP has divided asset management module into 3 components. Commercial real estate. Optimized asset maintenance and facility operations. Equipments and tools management. Project portfolio revenue and profitability. SAP has divided project portfolio revenue and profitability module into 3 components. Invoice to cash. Subcontractor owner engineer and architect collaboration. Performance analytics for construction projects and portfolios. Human resources. Although human resource is not in our current scope, we would still like to discuss and present it. SAP has divided human resource module into 4 components. Core human resources and payroll. Talent management. Time and attendance management. Workforce planning and analytics. Procurement. Procurement and finance are 2 most important critical processes of construction chain. Let's discuss procurement first. SAP has divided procurement into 3 components. Strategic sourcing and supplier management on-premise. Procure to pay on-premise with business network collaboration. Commodity management. Finance. Finance has been primarily divided into accounting, controlling. Both these modules have now been further broken down into 5 components. Financial planning and analysis. Accounting and financial close. Treasury and financial risk management. Collaborative finance operations. Enterprise risk and compliance management. Information technology. Information technology is also an important topic. SAP has 5 components in information technology. Application lifecycle management. IT infrastructure management. IT portfolio and project management. IT service management. IT strategy and governance. We will discuss each and every process in subsequent slides. Now let's discuss bid to contract award. Let's analyze what are construction companies' priorities and success criteria in bid to contract award process. The success for optimal results in this process. The ability to accurately assess complex project requirements and respond on time. Specify competitively priced materials. Schedule subcontractors with the best skills and experience all at the right price. What is the cornerstone of a successful construction business? The ability to produce accurate, timely, and profitable bids. Let's discuss challenges and vision for assuring correct bid. The increasing complexity of projects, the growing specialization of trade partners and construction methods combined with a greater array of material technologies demand more sophisticated collaboration techniques. Enabling effective bid management requires unified business data across departments, access to integrated design and estimation tools, and advanced collaboration capabilities. In fact, the ability to collaborate with key stakeholders through widely available, real-time project information strengthens not just companies' relationships with subcontractors and suppliers but their ability to bid successfully. Research has revealed that 19% higher sales are achieved when sales and business development adopt collaborative opportunity management. Basically, efficient collaboration in bidding or contracting reduces the overall turnaround time for complex processes. As we have now understood the priorities and challenges in bid-to-contract process, let's discuss how SAP deliverables help in optimizing the process. Integrated SAP helps to improve win rates with more profitable project outcomes by using real-time pipeline visibility and collaborative design and estimation tools. Become more agile and competitive and win more profitable projects with virtual collaboration software and real-time multidimensional and project estimate data. SAP has an additional critical component for bid-to-contract process called Opportunity and Proposal Management. This component helps to enhance the efficiency of the bid management process with robust collaboration tools, deliver more timely, competitive, and profitable bids by leveraging unified data across departments, and mitigate risk by basing estimates on real costs and margins. The combined impact of all the SAP components in the bid-to-contract process is noteworthy. Let's discuss these tangible benefits. Enhanced business development efficiency. Improved win rates. More predictable outcomes. Tighter collaboration with partners. As per the current research, the proposal conversion rate of top 25 companies is more than twice than that of bottom 25 companies. Now let's move on to next critical component: project delivery. At the outset, let's discuss the business priorities associated with it and how SAP enables optimizing their process. There's a fine line between profitability and project overrun. Best-run companies leverage collaboration and insight to ensure projects are completed in scope, on time, and within budget. Most established construction companies have a strong command over the sticks and bricks part of the business. Yet all too often the foundations of these businesses are precariously balanced on inefficient processes and cumbersome business practices. Under tight trading conditions, these systemic flaws can derail the company's profitability and competitiveness. To overcome these challenges, firms need to take a good look at their internal operations and business systems to determine how they can improve operational efficiency to strengthen their performance. Optimal project management is critical, and the ability to deliver tighter controls to project managers is central to operational excellence. With these controls at their fingertips, everything from conceptual design to execution, plus tracking and monitoring of workforce productivity, is available in real time. Now, as per the research, in current scenario 80% of companies report lack of seamless integration between project and resource management systems. Now let us understand how SAP solutions and deliverables help optimizing project delivery process. SAP integrates time, cost, and resource from project delivery's perspective. An integrated approach helps in maximize productivity and profitability with coordinated, integrated systems and processes for operational excellence in project delivery. Keep projects on track and within budget. Maximize productivity and profitability with comprehensive functionality to manage material, labor, equipment, and tools. In order to further optimize its tools, SAP has provided the following tools that supplement the project delivery process. Commercial project management. Leverage integrated business and project systems to manage project financials and change management in one project-centric interface. Project issue and change management. Track and manage project issues, and anticipate and adjust variables to limit impact to schedule and cost. Subcontractor management. Improve subcontractor contract execution over long-term projects by handling partial invoices from subcontractors in one payment chain. Environment, health, and safety compliance. Reduce risk by facilitating comprehensive assessment of the environment, health, and safety, as landscape. It will be surprising for you to note that 80% companies reported no portfolio-level roll-up capability of project schedules and resources deployed, as well as limited integration with customer and supplier plans. Hopefully we are building a strong connect with you and you are warming up to the future challenges involved in engineering, construction, and operations company. Now the next critical most important topic: project portfolio revenue and profitability. We have always maintained that project portfolio revenue and profitability is an extension of project delivery and no IT implementation in construction industry is complete without it. Let us discuss the business priorities and SAP vision in implementing this module. Across the construction life cycle, tightly integrating project execution with financial transactions, reporting, and analytics drives success. Enhancing collaboration and document management enables optimal resource productivity. To meet more aggressive demands from project owners, engineering, construction, and operations companies need to implement sound financial management and reporting capabilities, as well as enable effective collaboration throughout the entire life cycle of a major construction project. To mitigate risk and help ensure growth in a difficult construction landscape, the ability to integrate financial processes with project deliverables is vital. Throughout project planning and execution, project stakeholders such as owners, architects, engineers, subcontractors, and suppliers all need on-demand access to critical documentation. This requires robust management and control. In addition, comprehensive business intelligence across the entire project life cycle allows managers to measure and adjust performance as required. Analytics based on industry-specific indicators allows them to monitor project status and take corrective action if necessary. Analysts have pointed out that 63% report billing system is inefficient for handling variations required by client arrangements such as percentage complete or by milestone. Now let's understand how an integrated SAP solution helps in optimizing and fine-tuning project portfolio revenue and profitability process. A compact, systematic, integrated ERP SAP enables increase project profitability while managing and mitigating operational and financial risk. Streamline tasks and project-related documents by connecting and empowering people with integrated information, documents, and business processes. Project Portfolio Engine is further equipped with strategic tools. Invoice to cash. This component helps to track and manage project issues, and anticipate and adjust variables to limit impact to schedule and cost. Subcontractor, owner, engineer, and architect. This tool targets to improve subcontractor contract execution over long-term projects by handling partial invoices from subcontractors in one payment chain. Performance analytics for construction projects and portfolios. Reduce risk by facilitating comprehensive assessment of the environment, health, and safety, as landscape. In a nutshell, let's discuss the benefits. Improved project liquidity. Optimized invoicing speed and accuracy. Clear insight into project margins. Real-time information delivery. Visibility into trend variance. Identification of risks and potential impact. ERP Analytical Group has pointed that over 73% implementations have limited capability to track project risks from identification to resolution stage, in collaboration with subcontractors and customers. Now let's move forward on another critical topic: asset and facility operations. Although it does not form the core of construction business, but it acts as the main backbone for all the commercial process. SAP has laid its process primarily focusing and prioritizing. To differentiate and grow in today's competitive environment, engineering, construction, and operations companies need to evolve in order to offer complete life cycle services and establish new revenue streams. Tepid growth and rising operating costs continue to trouble the construction and commercial real estate industries. Project owners, real estate investors, and facilities management companies are under constant pressure to increase their margins. Business priorities include the need to maintain high occupancy levels, invest in the right markets at the right time, and deliver projects on time and within budget, all while controlling operating costs and getting full reimbursement for maintenance expenses. Businesses must achieve these goals while strategically planning for growth and diversification into new geographical areas. Best-run companies in commercial real estate use insight into every aspect of their business to make the right operational and strategic decisions. Actionable insights can empower organizations to maintain and increase margins in an ever-changing and competitive industry environment. As per the latest research, 17% higher return on assets where an asset management system is integrated with other enterprise systems. Now let's discuss how SAP offerings help fine-tuning asset and facility operations. An integrated platform provided by SAP helps to maximize return on assets, optimize equipment effectiveness and manage risk. Get real-time visibility into asset performance, manage the asset life cycle efficiently, optimize asset usage, and cut costs by leveraging powerful analytics. Now SAP has further enhanced its operations by introducing new components. Commercial real estate. It helps to develop holistic asset planning, building, and commissioning through integrated portfolio management, project management, and asset information management. Optimized asset maintenance and facility operation collaborations. It helps to increase uptime, narrow process variability, control maintenance costs, react faster to process disruption, and satisfy customers more consistently by gaining greater visibility into asset operations and performance. Performance analytics for construction projects and portfolios. It is instrumental in drive holistic asset operations and maintenance by integrating, automating, and unifying all maintenance-related activities. Now let's discuss the tangible benefits. Achieve superior asset performance. Collaborate across the organization. Help ensure efficient asset utilization. Enable fast decisions and reduce disruption. Research has communicated 22% higher asset productivity when asset life cycle is optimized through long-term financial, utilization, upgrade and replacement plans. Although human resource is not in our current scope of implementation, we would still like to discuss it as it also forms an integral part of engineering, construction, and operations company. Let us first analyze why it is important to prioritize human resource module as well. The construction industry is losing skilled labor and experienced management executives to retirement. Yet talent remains a true differentiator. Best-run companies are innovating in the areas of skill development and knowledge transfer. To support growth and agility, organizations must give people the knowledge and technology to facilitate innovation. The construction industry is becoming increasingly sophisticated with highly collaborative construction processes. Successful firms need people with the right technical skills. In addition, companies must identify and retain new talent acquired through mergers and acquisitions. Organizations that quickly respond with the right talent in the right places can secure a unique advantage in the marketplace. Research has communicated 32% less employee turnover by using workforce data analysis to design, implement, and monitor workforce optimization strategies. Now let's discuss SAP's offerings and how an integrated SAP ERP is imperative for human resource module. It helps to enable growth and sustainability by coupling global capabilities, integration, and real-time insight with choice in the way HR processes and services are delivered. A human resource module is supplemented with strategic tools and components. Core human resources and payroll. Consolidate HR and payroll processes onto a common global platform to unify workforce data and meet compliance obligations. Talent management. Improve strategic alignment, increase productivity, and accelerate results by identifying, developing, motivating, and retaining talent. Time and attendance management. Streamline time management processes for visibility into and control over labor costs to enhance resource effectiveness. Workforce planning and analytics. Identify and analyze talent gaps and streamline workforce planning processes for efficient management of workforce demand and supply. Let's discuss tangible benefits arising out of proper SAP HCM implementation. Align people to organizational strategies. Support global expansion into new markets. Improve productivity and engagement. Provide real-time insights into business needs. An important analytical fact. 38% lower costs for HR organizations with a high degree of internal integration compared to organizations with a fragmented HR environment. Now we can all agree on one point. Finance is the most important module for any ERP implementation, and SAP excels in finance. In human resource, SAP has competition with PeopleSoft, similarly with Siebel in CRM, but in finance SAP is undisputed number one. In finance SAP is divided into two modules primarily. Accounting. It covers all your external auditing components. Controlling. It accounts for all your internal accounting components. Now SAP with its vast experience has prioritized key process areas for finance. Let's discuss the challenges, priorities and vision involved in finance module. During one of the most difficult and volatile economies of modern times, financial organizations are struggling to achieve excellence. The responsibility of CFOs cuts across the entire construction organization. Sound stewardship must be balanced with value creation and drive business efficiencies while managing risk. In construction companies, the CFO is the driving force behind enhancing productivity, increasing resource efficiencies, and cutting costs to eliminate duplication and waste. CFOs need to help the organization deliver superior service at reduced cost and outperform financial objectives, contributing to business performance and shareholder value. CFOs also need to ensure regulatory compliance and effectively manage risk to avoid liabilities. The first step in managing risk is to identify and analyze all its sources. Contractual arrangements with employees, customers, and subcontractors need to be crisp and unambiguous. Safety needs to be a priority to protect workers on site, as well as to guard the company from negligence or injury claims. It is critical to the mission to comply with increasingly complex regulatory requirements. Now a very important analytical fact. 76% higher margins where finance system allows for historical and forward-looking views into financial and operational performance. Now let's discuss SAP's core deliverables in managing finance effectively. With sustained market volatility and tighter margins, CFOs need to drive operational efficiency and leverage business insight to excel. Robust finance processes allow people and companies to work together more efficiently and use business insight more effectively to outperform expectations. SAP has created several game-changing products which are really impacting the business in a big way. Financial planning and analysis. It streamlines budgeting processes, capture growth opportunities and customize business flow to achieve goals. Accounting and financial close. It helps to close books and create financial statements on time with greater insight, accuracy, and compliance. Treasury and financial risk management. Improve the management of every activity associated with cash, payments, liquidity, risk, and compliance. Collaborative finance operations. Automate key business processes in invoice to pay, receivables management and shared services. Let's discuss the tangible benefits after implementing SAP Finance module. Help ensure regulatory compliance. Manage risk effectively. Outperform financial objectives. Create sustainable value. Deliver superior service at reduced cost. Researchers reveal that there is 22% lower audit costs where organizations use automated rather than manual controls. Now let's understand how SAP enables another core module, procurement, and specific core areas where it prioritizes. Companies often focus on building revenue, but, by saving on procurement, they can increase profits by 5 times as much. The key to maximizing procurement success in this critical profitability role is to deliver consistent quality, savings, and compliance over time. Procurement leaders set a baseline for success by implementing best practices, excelling in category expertise, and working with key stakeholders on cost control programs. While savings is always a priority, new objectives have emerged as well. Procurement must manage supplier risk and performance, improve process efficiency, drive innovation, and ensure sustainability practices. Companies need solutions that provide the tools to cut costs as well as add value and support processes that include spend analysis, sourcing, contract management, operational procurement, supplier information management, and risk and performance management, available both on-premise and in the cloud. These tools, when coupled with an unparalleled collaborative business network, drive real-time insight and efficiency that can only be delivered through the power of many. Procurement analytical team have pointed out that there is 60% higher average annual savings for organizations with high maturity and leadership in procurement strategy. Now let's understand how an integrated ERP SAP enables procurement process. SAP provides an integrated and centralized platform which helps to drive sustainable savings while supporting innovation. Ensure best practices in the source-to-pay process, on-premise, or in the cloud, while leveraging the power of network collaboration for efficiency and insights. SAP has created customized components to supplement its procurement process engine. Strategic sourcing and supplier management, on-premise. It helps to find new suppliers through the Ariba network, and manage these relationships through supplier management solutions. Identify and act on sourcing opportunities, and create favorable, low-risk supply contracts. Procure to pay, on-premise, with business network collaboration. It helps to realize savings with compliant, user-friendly self-service procurement, services procurement, and plan-driven procurement. Collaborating on the Ariba network makes catalog management, purchase order collaboration, and invoice-related transactions even more efficient. Performance analytics for construction projects and portfolios. This component is instrumental in optimizing procurement, sales, and risk management for a consolidated, real-time view of commodity risk to react quickly to market changes. Let's understand the tangible benefits on applying SAP as an ERP. Optimize spend under management. Increase average annual savings. Drive innovation with suppliers. Reduce cost and risk. Research has pointed out that higher strategically managed organizations spend 76% higher than the normal organizations for procurement and direct materials. It proactively helps to monitor contract terms, rebates, volume tiers and renewals. Last but not the least, information technology. Although it's not part of your commercial structure, but this module forms the core of any construction company's IT vision and approach. We thought it is imperative that we discuss this topic here and broadly discuss the priorities and challenges. Construction companies need to align IT with their business goals, transforming the IT organization into a strategic business partner. Business-oriented IT management is all about increasing efficiency and responsiveness. According to a study by Gartner, the IT organization in an increasing number of companies does not decide to invest in IT projects on its own. Other business units are now involved in driving IT investment decisions based on their business value. In many organizations, IT management is typically a matter of managing the technical IT landscape and systems. Yet new technologies such as mobile, in-memory, and cloud computing can bring value to the business in an unprecedented way. They can also make the IT landscape more complex and require additional IT management tools to support them. To master the business of IT, engineering, construction and operations, companies need to adopt best practices and leverage a portfolio of solutions to ensure efficiency, business continuity, and responsiveness. With a new generation of technology from SAP, the IT organization can become more relevant and add strategic value to the enterprise. As per the researchers, organizations that drive joint leadership between business and IT are generating 25% more rate of interest. Finally, let's discuss SAP offerings and vision in fine-tuning companies' ERP strategy. SAP helps to evaluate and control IT risk, enable flexibility and scale, control and optimize IT costs, and maximize strategic value. Align IT spend with business priorities, drive efficiency, increase responsiveness, and help ensure business continuity with a new generation of technology from SAP. Now SAP has formulated certain input tools which further helps us in enhancing the entire IT vision and roadmap. Application Lifecycle Management. It helps to implement application lifecycle management processes, methodologies and services to reduce total cost of ownership. IT Portfolio and Project Management. It helps to manage portfolios and projects from start to finish, drive innovation, and develop cross-functional processes across disparate systems. IT Service Management. It coordinates and aligns service desk operations with service-level agreements. Let us discuss the tangible benefits on application of all the above components and SAP. Better align IT to business strategy. Shorten IT delivery and business cycles. Maximize return on IT. Reduce critical business system downtime. As per the technical analysts, there is 14% lower IT expenditure where business units have incentives aligned with the adoption of standard and common solution. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for making time and going through the presentation. Please send your queries to me at the below mentioned mail ID. Looking forward to hearing from you. I hope you have found the whole session informative.